We made it last stop of the Reslers' Big Out West trip. We're in Kentucky, one state away from home, and when we arrived, there was a ginormous storm happening.
The wood. You need to pull forward some. There you go. Now back it up. Yep. Good, you're straightening up, you're straightening up. Keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, your car wheel's about where you wanted it to be. I'm jumping it back in.
Yep, get in.
I don't need to shower tonight. Turn on the heat, I'm cold.
Yeah, we made it in, but it's a little fun there, parking the camper in the rain. What did you think?
It was rough. Real rough.
Kids are watching a movie, and we're just going to do some relaxing this evening.
We've returned to an old favorite, Outpost Campground in Salt Lake, Kentucky. Brian made a friend and is riding bikes. We've hardly seen him. Go, Anna. You got it. Throw your legs over first. You got it. I'm going to come over here and help you. I'm going to spot you. Throw your legs. It's cheeky.
Cheeky bro.
Alright, start again.
Go, James. You haven't had to do much, have you?
I feel like Forrest Gump.
All right, James, get ready, buddy. Get ready. Almost. Get it.
I got it.
Alright, come on.
All right, 2 against 1. Let's see this. Tell you what, this is a family of pro athletes right here.
Daddy, can you please knock it on my thing? But it was smaller than the peach. We're gonna stop it like this.
Get it, girl. Oh, so close.
Maybe if you dub enough of these together, it looks like that we were all playing.
No, I'm going to leave it just as it is.
The filmer got a ping pong ball in her face.
There's a full-length video of Broke Lake Falls posted right before this one. Time to check out the Feach. That's what we call a fake beach.
We're going to the beach. The beach is right down there.
I'll get you the applesauce.
We'll bring the applesauce in the bag.
Anna's already made a friend with the inner tube. Bubba and Dustin are building the sandcastle. And James is... no one really knows what James does. Beach.
Ring-a-ding-ding. That's the dinner bell. Pop's Southern Style Barbecue in Morehead, Kentucky.
Got that ankle. Oh, Mommy. Someone got the ankle. Look, a cheetah.
Look at me. Is it good?
Yeah. Now you gotta come here. The fries are good. You have to come.
Aina, what's your professional opinion on this food? Toothless Wonder.
Taste it, guys. It's the moment. I'm gonna taste it.
Look at him close his eyes to think about it. What would you give it out of 10?
An 8.
An 8? Not bad, not bad. Go ahead, sir.
I changed my mind. I can't even eat my fries. Like, my stomach loves this so much that I might ask for a refill.
Delicious, huh?
Yeah, I'll give it a 1 million.
Oh, okay. What about you?
Mine's outstanding. I'm not gonna be able to eat it all.
What do you think, Jim? What do you think, Anna?
I give it a thumbs up. I give it a thumbs up.
Okay, good. Home sweet home. We made it.
Anna and I decided to have a girls' night and put on masks and put cucumbers on our eyes like we were at a spa. And, well, like many of my great ideas, it didn't turn out so well.
How's girls' night going?
Mistakes were made. It hurts. Ow! Ow, 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 ow.
It's girls' night. Should I butt in and help with this, or?
Yes!
But you said it's girls' night. I'm supposed to leave you alone.
Ow, 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 ow. It's way worse than a Bure strip. Ah!
Oh, this hurts so much.
Oh gosh. Oh.
You got this.
Look at his whole nose skin off.